Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply open up a particular Capital One app on your mobile phone. Right afterwards, you're gonna go to your virtual card section and you're gonna check out your Capital One's virtual card. Now right at the bottom you will directly find these three options, and among that, look at the highlighted one which says add to Apple Wallet. Simply gotta tap on that. It will simply redirect you to the Apple Wallet section, which will simply look like this. Right afterwards, once you have get redirected over here, you simply have to reconfirm it. Simply go ahead, confirm that you would like to connect it. Once you have confirmed that, you will be able to add that card over here, and your card will listed over here as well. But in case you won't find it, you can tap on this plus icon on top right corner, or you can simply go to the wallet section by your settings and tap on add new card. But before that, do make sure that you have taken the your card number, your expiration date, and security code noted. And then you're gonna again go back to your Apple Pay section, your Apple Wallet section, and simply have to provide the details again for you to add the card to your Apple Wallet. And now when you go back to any of the store for the purchasing purpose, you should be able to see this kind of interface at the bottom of it. In the right section, buy with Apple Pay, and once you tap on it, you should be able to choose the card that you would like to pay with, and you're good to go. So that is how you should be able to add the Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay. And hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.